Hi there, welcome back. This is one of our 2-minute tips videos, and in this video we're going to look at silent shutter on the Z-series cameras. In this video we're going to look at the silent shutter mode on the Nikon Z-series cameras. As mirrorless cameras, they've got both mechanical shutters and electronic shutters. And this allows us to use silent shutter mode, which has two benefits. Firstly, it's silent. Secondly, it reduces vibration in the images that you take, which is increasingly important when you've got high resolution sensors and you're perhaps coupling them with a long focal length lens. On the Nikon DSLRs such as the D850, there is silent shutter mode. However, you've got to be using it in live view using the LCD screen. With the mirrorless cameras, you can use silent shutter both when you're using the EVF and also the LCD, which is a major step forward. So let's look at how we set it up. Silent shutter can be set up to be activated in one of two ways. Firstly, you can assign it to one of the positions on the I menu, and I'll put a card above for the video showing you how you set up the I menu. Alternatively, you can go into menus and the photo shooting menu and go to the very bottom option. You've got silent photography, and you can go into there and turn it on and off. I personally use it assigned to one of the positions on my I menu because then it's very easy to turn on and off. Once you've turned it on, when you press the shutter, what you will see is, obviously there's no noise, but what you will see is the LCD or the EVF goes momentarily black after you've taken a shot to signify that you've taken a shot. Whilst the benefits of silent shutter are really clear, there are some scenarios when it's not ideal to use it. Because of the nature of the electronic shutter, using it when you've got frequency-based lights in your image, such as fluorescent or flashing lights or sodium street lights, means you do get some banding and some artifacts. The same as when you use it when you're perhaps taking an image of a fast-moving subject or you're panning the camera. There are some other technical limitations in that the camera disables a number of pieces of functionality when you use silent shutter. So for example, you can't use the ISO sensitivities high 0.3 to high 2. You can't use flash. Exposure delay, flicker reduction and bracketing are all disabled. Also, the beep speaker is disabled. Not unsurprisingly, you're wanting silent shooting, so that's not really a big issue. You can't use long exposure noise reduction, and electronic front curtain shutter is also disabled. The final thing that it does is it also has a slight impact on the frames per second you can achieve with continuous shooting, and that depends on what image quality you're using and what bit depth you're using. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and let us know if you're using silent shutter in the comments below. And I hope to see you again soon on a future video.